Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering the external Wi-Fi antenna, an SMA cable, and the TV's antenna adapter. Inspect the TV rear panel for an external antenna input or a USB Wi-Fi jack. If the TV has no antenna input, plan to use a USB Wi-Fi adapter with a detachable antenna. Power off the TV and unplug it from the wall before you touch any connectors. Lay out all parts on a clean surface and check each connector for damage or loose threads. Identify the connector types on both the antenna and the TV input before proceeding. If the TV uses an F-type jack, plan to use an SMA male to F-type adapter for the antenna. Prefer a short SMA cable under 1.5 meters to reduce signal loss and interference. Verify the antenna gain, such as 5 dB, and account for expected cable loss in decibels. Choose weatherproof adapters for outdoor antennas, and use a grounding clamp if the antenna is mounted outside. Attach the antenna to the SMA cable and then to the adapter matching the TV input. Tighten each connector finger tight and then give a quarter turn with an adjustable wrench. Avoid over-tightening. Plug the cable into the TV antenna input or the USB adapter on the TV. Power on the TV and open network settings to scan for your Wi-Fi SSID. Select your network and enter the password to connect. Check link speed and signal strength. Then secure or reorient the antenna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.